When you're thinking about buying a drone, the Flying Shark should be high on your list. But before you pull the trigger, there are 7 things you really need to know about it. Trust me, knowing these will save you from the buyer's remorse that can come with impulsively jumping into a new gadget. The first thing you need to understand about the Flying Shark is its performance. If you've been eyeing drones like the DJI Mavic or the Skydio, you may be wondering how it stacks up. The Flying Shark doesn't try to compete directly with those premium models, but for its price, you're getting excellent flight time and stability. It's not just a toy, it's designed for hobbyists who want solid footage and reliability without shelling out thousands of dollars. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. The Flying Shark is incredibly beginner-friendly. The setup process is straightforward, and the control system is intuitive. You won't need hours of practice to get a decent shot, which is something not all drones can say. I've tested it myself, and within minutes of getting it out of the box, I was flying through obstacles, which is impressive for a mid-range drone. If you've ever tried to figure out how to fly drones from some of the higher-end brands, you know this can be a hassle. The third thing you'll want to consider is the camera quality. The Flying Shark's camera is good, but don't expect the 4K quality you get from higher-end models like the Mavic Air. It's perfect for casual users who are looking to capture nice aerial shots for vlogs, trips, or just personal use. The 1080p resolution holds up well in most lighting conditions, but in low light or extreme weather, it does struggle a bit. The fourth thing to keep in mind is battery life. Compared to other drones in the same price range, the Flying Shark does fairly well. It offers around 20-25 minutes of flight time, depending on conditions. That's a decent amount of time, but if you're used to drones like the DJI Air 2S, which offers longer flight times, you might find yourself needing to pack an extra battery for those longer sessions. Now, let's talk about range. The Flying Shark gives you a range of about 300 meters, which is more than enough for most casual drone users. If you're looking to fly over vast distances or need to capture shots from far away, you might feel a little limited. It's certainly not a long-range drone, but for what it offers, the connection is stable, and I've rarely seen any dropouts during normal flying conditions. The sixth thing you need to consider is the durability of this drone. While the build is solid, it doesn't feel as premium as some of the more expensive models out there. However, the Flying Shark is surprisingly resilient for its price range, the propellers are designed to survive light impacts, and the drone has a protective casing that helps prevent damage from accidental falls. But just don't go flying it in strong winds or near water. You'll want to be cautious with those elements. Finally, the price point. This is where the Flying Shark really shines. When you compare it to competitors, you'll realize that for a fraction of the cost, you're getting an experience that feels much more premium than you'd expect. It's perfect for hobbyists, YouTubers, or anyone who just wants a fun and reliable drone without dropping hundreds of dollars on the top-of-the-line models. If you're looking for the best offer on the Flying Shark, I've got you covered. Click the first link below and you can try it completely free and get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this chance to experience what Flying Shark has to offer at the best price. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a drone that offers excellent value for money, the Flying Shark is a solid choice. With good performance, ease of use, decent camera quality, and great pricing, it's perfect for those looking to get into the drone world without breaking the bank. To get your free trial, just click the link in the description below and take advantage of some exclusive offers today.